Good evening, students. Today I am here to give a explanation about the question paper which we are going to look in the next session. So today I am here to give a brief explanation for the drawing supply exam as students requested me to explain about the model paper which they are having on the Monday. So I am giving you the explanation about the model, how the model paper will be in engineering drawing. It as you can see in the screen, it is written as DEEE, which means it is not only for DEEE, it can be also helpful for all the branches in diploma, polytechnic diploma. So coming to the syllabus of the drawing of the first sem, we are having first is importance of engineering drawing instruments, as you all know. So in that we don't have any question in the sem. And the next topic, next unit is freehand lettering and numbering. So this is the chapter where we can get the first question itself. First question we can get the lettering. So that from this chapter only the first question will appear from this. And the second chapter is dimensioning practice. And the second question will automatically come from this second chapter. I mean third chapter in this serial number. Okay. Now geometrical construction, this will be automatically third and fourth question. And fifth, in the short answer you can see the number of for the, this is for the final sem exam only. So you can see small questions, how many from the second chapter 1, third chapter 1, and geometrical construction 2, and projection of points and lines planes 2, and orthographic projection 2. This is about the small question. And if you essay question, you can see in the dimension practice you can get one question, and in the geometrical construction you can get 2.5, means A, B, like that. And in the projection of points, lines, planes you can get one question. And orthographic projection is the highest weightage. Okay, you can get up to 35 marks, approximately 35 marks. Okay, so this question paper is about how many marks total, how much, 40 marks. So approximately more than 40% means approximately you can get a 20% from the 5th and 6th unit. Okay, so 5th and 6th unit are the most important for this end sem exam. Okay, let us look at into the model paper now. Okay, so this is the model paper. Actually it is taken from the textbook, so it is not that much clear, as you all know. So you can observe the first question itself. Let time zoom. Sorry. Okay. Write the following in the single stroke vertical capital letters of 10 mm size. Board diploma examination. In this model paper, the word given is board diploma examination. So in the first question itself, you will get a word to write in the form of letters. Okay. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can watch my video on which is done by freehand lettering in my video in the YouTube channel. Okay. Right. Now let us look at into the second question. See, as I said about the chapters, in the second question you can get the redraw the figure according to the dimension. So in every sem exam you will get the first question itself for freehand lettering, and the second question will be redraw the figure. Whatever the dimensions are given, if there is any error in the dimension, you can just take out the dimension outside, and you can also look at the problems regarding it, redraw the figure in my videos also. Okay, this is about second question. And third question, inscribe a regular hexagon in a circle of 60 mm diameter. So you can get here a regular hexagon he asked in this model paper, so you can expect a pentagon or else like that, or else tangents. Just note it down. In the third question you can get a regular pentagon, a regular hexagon, and tangent, internal tangents, external tangents. So these are the questions you can expect for the third question. Now divide a straight line. This is about, just it is a very simple. This is also my video is there. Just look at into it. Now draw the straight line of length in that chapter only, same. Now fifth question, this is about the points. Draw the projection of the following points. So as you all know, projection of points, you can look at my video projection, how the projection of points will be there. This is automatically, if there may be any changes in the values. 40 mm above HP means he may given 50 mm above HP, or else in front of VP, that is like that. Okay, that is also one video was there in my YouTube channel, you can look at it. Now sixth question, draw the projection of straight line. So this is also from the projection of points, solids, okay, lines. Okay, you can expect a question from this. Fifth, sixth will become from that projection of points, lines and planes. Now okay, let us look at into the seventh question. So this is, as this is all the small questions, so this is just we have to draw the front view. See, if we given a essay question, he may ask front view, top view and side view, but whereas this is a small question, he asked only front view for the question. In the seventh question, the arrow mark is given from the left side, you can observe it with the mark of X. Okay, so see here you can mark, so we have to draw only front view from this side. Okay, now in the eighth question is given same, just top view of the following figure, but without drawing the front view of this figure you cannot draw top view. So obviously you have to draw front view as well as top view for this figure. So it is a very small questions. Now coming to the essay question. In this, see, answer any 5 questions and each marks 10, so that you will get fifth. I said already fifth and sixth chapters are most weightage, so you can in the fifth chapter you can get A or B, means 9th or 10th. See, you can observe 9th or 10th. Again in the sixth chapter also you can get 11th or 12th, like that. So he may ask like this. Okay, now he asked redraw the figure in, so in this also he asked redraw the figure. You may get like this, or else from the construct an ellipse. Okay, you can observe the 10th question. Construct an ellipse whose major axis and minor axis be concentric circle method. This is a very important question for you. So you can expect a concentric circle method question in this. Maximum 90% question papers will be consisting of construct ellipse with a concentric circle method. Other than this concentric circle method, you can have a arcs of circle method. Okay, and another one is rectangular or oblique method. 4 types of constructing ellipse are there. 4 methods. First is concentric circle method and arcs of circle method, and all you say uh, rectangle or oblique method, and one more is ellipse by, and another one is with the help of what do you say, the 2:3 ratio eccentricity method. Okay, the third method is eccentricity method. So in these 4 methods you can expect any one method. The most important method is concentric circle method, but other than this you can get in this. Okay, now in the 11th question he given as draw an involute of circle of radius 40 mm. So in this involute he may ask also cycloid. Okay, just note it down. In the 11th question you can get involute and cycloid, epicycloid, hypocycloid, like that. Okay, now in the 12th question, draw a tangent to the radius of see, this is also I told you, you may get tangents. Okay, this is as he given a small question, so he gave in the A and B. Now in this also, in the B question 12B, draw the front view and top view of the given figure. So he asked front view and top view. So in this model paper you cannot see an arrow from here or else here. So if in the question paper you did not get any arrow from here or else here, so you can consider any of the side, but you have to mark it. This is the front side and top side. Okay, now let us look at into the 13th question. So here a pentagonal lamina of side. So he asked the question from the projection of planes. Lamina means which is nothing but planes. So you can also know side, you can look at it into the question. Just watch my projection of points, lines and planes, so that it will be very useful for you. You can answer any type of question. Okay, night. Okay, now let us look at the 14th question. See, draw the front view of and top view of the left view of the following figure. This is the long answer. So that, see here in the given as mark X mark in this direction, so you have to take front view this only. Okay, remaining all you can draw directly front view, top view and like that. So in this 15th question, you can look it into it. Draw the front view, top view. So this is also, so as you consider in the 5th chapter, just know about orthographic projection, it will be very useful. Okay, already I taught you, okay, in my previous videos. Just look it into it and draw the front view, top view, and okay, this is very just practice orthographic projection, you can get 10 marks easily, like that. Okay, thank you, hope you all find good and write your exam well. If you have any doubts, just comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.